So what's your prediction for nationals? What do you want to do?
Well, my first goal, not drop into next 40.
Okay.
If I drop into next 40, then I think I lose.
Okay, so you want top 40.
Yeah, but if I get into top 40, it doesn't mean I win. I win if I go to top 16 brackets.
Yeah.
Which is freaking hard. Top 16 brackets to get there is very hard, very hard. My bet for this year is Levi. I think Levi gonna win this shit. Yeah, I don't know.
If he wins, are they gonna give him DRL contract?
I think so. I think they have to, right?
Yeah, it'd be nice.
Yeah. Predictions for next nationals?
Yeah. Mason Lively.
Yeah.
Hyper wins.
Yeah.
Mason.
I also agree with
Mason
that.
and Propsicle.
Oh man.
Yeah, Mason.
I don't know. I think Propsicle, but well, I don't know. He doesn't have that.
Why not Propsicle?
Yeah, I'm going to back that one.
I don't know. Like,
I mean,
After
Mason's
talking
been
with
flying
him?
really good. I mean, he won the Tiny
Mason
Trainer
is kinda
champs.
also like-
What's it called?
So what? So are everyone's retired now?
No, hey,
Nobody thinks they're gonna win.
well, Chief is thinking. I think it's Chief, but he cannot say it. So
But these two
Chief
guys,
is like, I think Chief
the
is
two
like
champions of the two major leagues, but no predictions that either one of y'all are gonna win.
I won 2018 and 2019.
2018-19.
What do you think, Soren?
I don't know. Mason's honestly he's been one of my favorite pilots for a while, so I would love to
I think
see
he's
him
due
win.
for a win.
He is.
Everybody has you have your bad luck, but I think once you get due for a win, it kind of comes.
Yeah.
But yeah, I think.
So top 16. Last year you got 10. You did good on the bracket racing.
Yeah, well, I got very lucky. It was crazy windy. People was like crashing randomly because of the wind, and I was flying very heavy quad that didn't give a shit about wind. So I was like, and also got
Advantage,
lucky.
yeah. So that's a Texas advantage. We fly lots of wind at Andy's.
Yeah. Well, probably not as much as in Dallas, but yeah, we still got some winds here.
You have the heaviest quad, probably in all of nationals.
all of them.
So
like,
you had the best.
Probably like
advantage.
it was probably the heaviest quad in like top like 60 or something at least. You know what I mean? Like, well, this year I come with the Open Racer Pro. It's way lighter. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes.
So Vanover Motors, is that what you're gonna compete with?
Yeah, well, I got half of my quads Vanover motors, half of them Evan 533 motors, and half of like 1/3 Vanover, 1/3 Evan, and 1/3 like combined.
That's gonna be the best way.
Yeah.
Nice. Well, good luck at
Yeah,
nationals.
thank you.
Good luck to Neil. Are you looking forward to Neil's track?
Oh yeah, man, it's amazing. Neil's track, I actually don't like flying in simulator. It's just boring. But it's been a while since last time I enjoyed flying in Velocidrone, and this track I enjoyed flying it. Like I spent 30 minutes and it didn't piss me off, and that's pretty crazy because usually simulator pisses me off in like 15 minutes. I'm done. I just kill it with like task manager. Just done. I don't even have patience to like click exit, and I just kill it with the task manager. But this time I was flying 30 minutes and it was good. The track feels good.
So now you know the track.
Yeah, I know the track.
Awesome.
So
Good
we'll
luck.
see.
Good luck
Thank
to
you.
Neil.
Thank you.
Okay, so after this, we're gonna fly. He's gonna give me a 15-second head start. Let's see if I can beat the number 10 pilot in the world. But I'm gonna run 6S, and he's gonna run a 3S and see if I can beat him.
It's all about bringing a nice competition pressure.
Yeah, pressure. He needs pressure, so we can't pressure.
John also needs
him.
pressure.
Yeah,
Because John flies to the course like meh.
Yeah. Although I don't get that much pressure when you pass me, but if Joe Mama passed me, then I get angry.
It's like different sounds. Like
So
RT
vodka
or
is like what?
vodka.
So like you say with like more like a T instead of a
Yeah, it's not T, it's T.
vodka.
Vodka. Yeah. Yeah, like that. But not D, it should be T, but T, like T. Vodka.
So it's the same word in Russian.
Yeah.
Vodka's vodka.
I'm not sure though it's like a regional Russian drink, I don't
You know
think
how
so.
Texans say it, right?
Yeah.
Lash.
They say some historians say that Russians start drinking only like on 18th century. when there was
really?
like a Peter the First, and he brought a lot of stuff from Europe, and that's when Russians started drinking. And before that, they weren't drinking. I don't know if it's true, but
Whoa.
they say like originally Russians don't drink.
What do they drink? Beer?
Well, I like beer, yeah.
Oh,
I like beer, I like whiskey,
yeah.
bourbon. Some Russians sometimes they get offended when you say like that they drink
Oh, they
a lot.
drink vodka?
No, like they get that when you bring stereotype that Russians drink a lot because
Oh.
I don't know. I don't get offended, but some
You
can.
don't like it?
But yeah, I don't like vodka. I don't. I like tequila. Pure tequila, you know, with margarita, I like it.
Yeah.
But way better than vodka. Vodka, like it's like no taste,
That's why
only
I like
alcohol. All right, what's the color of freedom?
What are you doing in America? It's teal for freedom spread motors.